performers that are going to coming up after this. So please give a round of applause to everyone who's working so hard, for today. Thank you so much for coming today. Alright, so let me introduce myself first. So my name is Hans, but for simplicity's sake, you can just call me Hans.
And my name is Pei. You guys call me this name.
Yes, and then, hey, you don't want to tell your full name?
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, my full name is Jia Musanisa.
Yeah, you guys can get that?
Yes!
Yeah. Sure? Okay, let me repeat again. Jia Musanisa.
Jia Musanisa!
Good job, good job. Alright, so, the backdrop. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so this backdrop is being drawn by her. Alright, so this is us, the same outfit.
What is the song name?
Okay, so the song name is I Like You The Most. It's being announced by the MC.
And in Thailand, but it's from Nordic Square.
Yeah, that's in Thailand. Good luck for remembering that. Okay, so that's the reason why we choose this song is because initially this semester I practiced this song because I tried to impress her because it's like Thailand originated song. On the stage, singing together. Alright, so let's. Can we get the guitar sound out of it?
Give our love, but performance by